This is a video for Level 2 ICT Functional Skills, and this is a test paper from June 2017. This will be the first of two videos. In this video, we're going to be looking at Section A of the test paper. In the next video, we will be looking at Task 3, which is related to Section A. You may use the internet for this section only. Task 1, Gathering Information. Jenny wants some information about the Crufts Dog Show. Open Responses June 17, Level 2. Now, I know this is going to be a file, firstly because it begins with a capital, so I know it's a name. Secondly, it's highlighted in bold, so it's going to be the name of the file. Once I've opened it, it says enter your name, candidate number, and center number. Okay, so in the test, we will be given the file. As part of the test itself, we will have the data files. So this is the file that it asked me to open. I'm going to enter my name. It's asking for a candidate number. Now, I do not have a candidate number because I'm a teacher, so I'm going to create one. 134787902. There we go. But people who are taking the test need to enter their own student number or candidate number. Center number, I'm just going to make one up for now. 24780. That's a made-up center number. Again, in the test, the exam paper will give you the center number. Okay? So, enter your name, candidate number, and center number, which is what I've done. Now, Section A, this is where the actual test begins. Use an internet search engine, for example, Google, Bing, any kind of search engine to get answers from the internet, to find the dates of the 2018 Crufts Dog Show. So I need to be able to go to a search engine. I'm going to use Google. What am I looking for? I need to find the dates of the 2018 Crufts Dog Show. So to do that, I'm going to open a window. I'm going to use Google, and I'm going to type in the data that the question asks, which is the dates or date of the Crufts 2018 Dog Show. Okay, and here we go. So the date of the Crufts 2018 Dog Show, and let me go back to my question. Take a screenshot of the search engine, which is Google, showing the criteria you used. The criteria that I used is going to be these words, the words that I typed in. So I need to be able to show the Google sign and the criteria that I used in my screenshot and the results of the search. And then I need to paste the screenshot into my Responses June 17 Level 2 file. Okay. So this is the page that I have, my Google, my criteria, and my results. These are the dates that I'm looking for. I need to take a print screen. Now, all of this white space is extra. I don't need that. And also all of this other extra information I do not need. I'm going to make my screen a bit bigger. I'm going to do that by pressing Control and the plus sign. By doing that, I am zooming in to make my screen bigger. As you can see, my screen has now become bigger. Now that my screen is nice and big, I'm going to make sure my mouse is not in the middle somewhere, obstructing any of the detail. My mouse is going to be at the side, and on my keyboard I'm going to press a key which is called print screen. There's no shift, no control, just print screen. Once I've pressed it, I'm going to go to the data file, and here it says use the internet search to find the dates, which I've done. Paste your screenshot here. Make sure it is possible to read the name of the search engine and the criteria. Okay, so in order for me to paste my screenshot. But it's good that I zoomed in. My information is going to be nice and big. I'm going to paste my screenshot, as you can see, and my examiner will be able to see my search engine that I've used, the criteria that I've used, and the answers that I have. If I had not zoomed and I had taken a screenshot of the very first page with all the extra bits, this information would have been very small. But now that I've zoomed in, my examiner can see all my information. Okay, I'm going to go back to my test question, which is going to be here. Paste the screenshot, complete the table in the file. So let's go back to the file. And it says complete the table. The dates of the 2018 Crufts Dog Show. So when I did my search, I came up with these results. I just need to type this in. And that's going to be from the 8th to the 11th of March 2018. Okay. It wants me to paste a website address. Right. Now the thing I need to remember in my test is that when we do any form of search, we have to remember that the dates that I have found, for example, it's okay to do a Google search, but if I need to paste a website, I cannot use a Google search website. I have to find a proper website that is not a Google search website. I've got a proper website here. I'm going to click on it. I'm just going to make sure that it is about the information that I want. Crufts 2018, yes. Dog Show, yes. I'm going to go down. Going to go down just to make sure that I've got my dates, March 18th to 11th. Fantastic. So this is the correct website that includes my information. And this is going to be the website. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to right click with my mouse, copy, so that's the URL or the address of the website. And I'm going to go back into my file and I'm going to paste the website that I just copied. There we go. That is the URL of the website that I have found about Crufts Dog Show 2018. Okay. I'm going to go down, part B, complete the table. It wants me to find a single image of the dog awarded Crufts Best in Show 2016. So I need to find a single image of the dog awarded Crufts Best in Show 2016. So while I'm here, I'm going to copy the words that I need. I'm going to go into my Google search and I will paste my search. So these are going to be the keywords that I need for my search. I'm going to press enter. And for the ICT test, students know that we cannot just go and use a Google image. It has to be, if we're looking for an image, it has to be from a real website, not just Google Images. So here I have a proper website. I'm going to click on it and I'll be looking for the image of the dog who won, which is this little guy here, who won the best award in 2016. Okay, I'm going to click and copy the image. I'm going to go back into my file. Here I'm going to paste. Now the question says a single image. This is 2 images. I don't want to lose marks. So I'm going to get rid of one. I'm going to keep this one, which I like, and get rid of the other one. I need to click on my photo. I need to go to Format. Here I need to go to Crop and crop again. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut out the part of the picture or image that I do not need. Once I'm happy, I'm going to click, and I've gotten rid of the image that I do not need. This is quite big, so I might just make it small a tiny bit. There we go. And that is the single image of the dog awarded Crufts Best in Show 2016. It is not a Google image, it's from a real website, which is great. Okay. Next part, the website address or the URL of the Kennel Club. So in my Google search, I'm going to type in the Kennel Club. Okay, and I have a proper website here with a proper address. If I click on it, this here is going to be the website address or the URL. I'm going to click to copy, and then I'm going back into my file and I'm going to paste the URL. There we go. And that is the website address of the Kennel Club. Okay, and that is going to be the end of section A of the level 2 test paper.